Pumpkin spice is so easy to make. It's essential for so many fall recipes. But who says you need to save it for the fall? The pumpkin spice latte is only one of the many ways to use pumpkin spice mix. We make ours using 6 spices you likely have in your cupboard. In a small bowl, add cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, allspice, and cardamom. Whisk gently to combine, then transfer to a spice jar. Please click the thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to label your precious pumpkin spice mix. Pumpkin spice mix is delicious in pumpkin recipes, but you can get creative in how you use it. If you liked our pumpkin spice video, we think you'll enjoy this one too.